and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi Nardoni if you're new here, and we are going to be going on some fun little Brussels adventures on this vlog. So let's start with day one. Another day, another solo adventure. So today we're going to the Atomium because I want to go. It's a science museum. It's so cool. It's a landmark I drew in my bullet journal for Brussels. So we're gonna go do that, and I'm really excited because Mads, my roommate, has gone and said like each little link to each wall is an escalator, which I didn't even know you could go in it. So let's go. I just finished at the Atomium and it was so cool. I didn't realize it was built for one of the world fairs, so I love looking at things like that. I read a book. I'm gonna put it right here that I read. That was kind of about a world fair, but it was a fictional like book. But yeah, now I'm gonna try and walk to some parks. I planned my day while waiting in line to go to the top of the Atomium. The Grand Palace Botanical Gardens are over here, so I'm gonna come and do that tomorrow and do look at a couple other buildings that are super cool. And today I'm gonna try hit up 2 gardens and a park. So then I kind of cover the whole area in the next 2 days. I just love walking through the park. It's so peaceful and like really puts your mind at ease and all that. And the air here in Brussels is just so fresh. I don't know. I love a good park. So. Dinner and I watched an episode of Wednesday with my roommates. So I will continue this vlog tomorrow for the botanical garden. It's time for the botanical garden. Okay, see you there. You know me, it's not a trip without some logistical mistakes. So I guess the Palace Royal Botanical Gardens are only open during the spring, so it kind of ended in May, which is fine. I did want to see them, but there are a couple other botanical gardens in Brussels, so I'm gonna go to those another day. But I'm gonna go to the couple parks and different buildings I wanted to see here. The first one being the Museum of the Far East, which is kind of an Asian inspired place. A lot of these buildings were made for the World Fair, so I just kind of wanted to see them, and yeah, let's go. Hello, I'm at the park now. I'm at Park Van Locken, and I wanted to see the structure here. And everything, all the buildings have like fences around it and all of that. It's giving when I went to Salzburg in Austria during the winter, and all the monuments had snow globes basically on it to protect it from the snow and all that. So I'm like wondering if there's like open times or they always fenced off like this. But I love looking at it anyway. I don't need to go all the way up to it to enjoy the beauty. Okay, so I basically have gone to all the parks that I wanted to over here. So I'm gonna head back. This actually kind of worked out because I have a call at 4 with my best friend, Charlize. But I had gotten here at like 1:30 and I was worried about going to the botanical gardens and getting through all of that before, like, and getting back home before that 4 o'clock call. So it's kind of good that I missed and it wasn't open, because then I gotta go to the park, spend some time there, and I can make it back in time for that call with like time to spare. So not rushed, but yeah, let's make it way back and maybe I'll vlog more there. Last little touristy day on this vlog. We're gonna go see this flower exhibit that's only open for a couple days. I'll put the official name right here and all that, but I'm excited to go. So let's go get getting on that, and it's the last day of the heat wave. Thank God. This is where the big Sunday The flower thing was so cool. And now we're gonna get some food and do other. I was like, we just turned our paint night into us just. Show me your uterus. They got like everything. Another video, another failed remembering to sign off. But I promise you, I did do it for the rest of the videos. I'm promising I haven't looked at them. But I hope you enjoyed. This is me in October, trying to get these out as quickly as possible. Obviously, like, you know the vibes. Obviously, I gotta work and all that. And I've been filming some fun work vlogs, so stay tuned for those after all of these fun little Euro summer vlogs come out. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.